Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hi, so in this question we want to estimate the enthalpy for the reaction based on the amount of bonds that are being broken and the bonds that are being created. So, in order to do that, the enthalpy for the reaction is going to be approximately the sum of the bonds that are broken, meaning the bonds that we have in the reactants, minus the sum of the bonds that are being formed. So the bonds that we're going to have in the products. So in this case, the reaction that we have in hand is CH2, sorry, C2H4 plus HBr that is going to produce carbon, hydrogen, 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 carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, bromine. So this is the halogenation of an alkene by HBr. Okay. So in order to get this result, I'm going to put the values for the enthalpies that we actually care about. So for example, the bonds that we are going to have present are carbon hydrogen, carbon double bond carbon, hydrogen bromine, carbon carbon, and carbon bromine. And the values that we have for each of them, for carbon hydrogen, we have 414. All of this is going to be in kilojoules per mole. For carbon double bond carbon, we have 606 and 15. For HBr, the value is 368. For carbon carbon as a single bond, the value is 347. And carbon bromine, we have a bond energy of 276 kilojoules per mole. So, first of all, what are the bonds that are being broken? The bonds broken are the ones that we have on the reactants. So we need to break one carbon double bond carbon. We need to break 4 carbon hydrogen. And we need to break 1 of HBr. And to this, we're going to subtract the ones that we're going to create. So we need to create 5 carbon hydrogen, and all of these like in a big bracket, just to not get confused. We need to create a carbon-carbon bond, and only one of that. And we also need to create a carbon-bromine bond, only one of them. So in the first part, we're going to have 615 plus 4 times carbon hydrogen, that is 414, plus 1 of HBr, that is 368. The result gives us